Mastering the Art of Entrepreneurial Marketing Day 1, Unleashing My Marketing Superpowers. Follow my journey as I dive into the world of entrepreneurship and conquer the realm of marketing. Join me as I unveil the secrets of building a successful business through effective marketing strategies. In this fast-paced adventure, I'll show you how to design captivating logos, create compelling social media content, brainstorm innovative ideas, and analyze data like a pro. Get ready to take notes as I share valuable marketing tips and tricks along the way. Remember, storytelling sells. Discover the power of connecting with your target audience through compelling narratives. Embrace creativity and watch your brand soar to new heights. But it doesn't stop there. Join me on this roller coaster ride of entrepreneurship where we'll attend workshops, collaborate with influential voices, and celebrate the milestones that mark our progress. Together, we'll create our own success one step at a time. So, if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a marketing enthusiast, this is the journey you don't want to miss. Follow me for a daily dose of inspiration, valuable insights, and actionable strategies. Together, let's unlock the full potential of entrepreneurial marketing.